This is your teacher Ad again. How are you today? Let's say I'm fine, thank you. Again, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, very good. Okay, students, today we're going to learn about the final CK sound. Again, the final C and K sound. Okay, very good. Okay, okay, our sentence structure is question. What is it? Again, what is it? Answer is it is a blank. The blank is whatever the picture. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we have here back. Again, back. This is your back. Okay, your back. Okay, B-A-C-K. Back. Again, please. Back. Very good. What is it? It is a back. Very good. Next, lick. Lick. Okay. L-I-C-K. Lick. Okay, if this is ice cream, that's lick. Okay, very good. Lick. Next is neck. This is your neck. Very good. What is it? Neck. Very good. N-E-C-K. Neck. Very good. Sick. Oh, I'm feeling sick. Very good. Again, sick. S-I-C-K. Sick. Very good. Next, chick. Again, chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Very good. It is a chick. The baby chicken. Okay, what is it? It is a chick. Very good. Next, duck. Duck. Again, please. Duck. What is it? It is, again, a cap. It is a duck. Very good. D-U-C-K. Duck. Again, duck. Very good. Next, kick. Kick. What is it? It is kick. Again, please. Kick. Very good. K-I-C-K. Kick. Again, please. Kick. Very good. Next, lock. 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 Okay, what is it? It is a lock. Okay, L-O-C-K. Lock. Again, please. Lock. Very good. Okay, what is it? It is a back. Very good. Again, back. Again, please. Back. Very good. Back. What is it? Lick. Lick. Example. This is your finger. That's lick. Very good. Lick. Neck. What is it? Neck. Very good. Neck. Next. Sick. Oh, may sabay. May sabay. Sick. Again. Sick. Very good. Next. Chick. Chick. Okay. It is a chick. Very good. Duck. Again, duck. Very good. Duck. Next, kick. Kick. Again, please. Kick. Very good. Kick. Next, lock. Lock. Again, lock. Very good. Lock. Okay, for now, this is our activity. What you're going to do is you're going just to write CK. Okay, you write C and K. Here also C and K and K. Okay. And then you color. Okay, and then color it. Not by C. Okay, Mai? Okay, very good. Okay, thank you for listening to Teacher Addy. Bye-bye. See you next time.